Yesterday, on basis of secret information, special Naka checking was set up at Khakrajan Naka checking point under Borpathar PS by OC Borpathar, CRPF G20 and PS Sub, and at 7:30 p.m. one bus bearing registration number AS25C0094 was intercepted with was coming from Dimapur side and recovered 5 packets of suspended heroin 56.49 grams, which was concealed in one lady's black color handbag. Instinct regal the below mentioned woman has been apprehended. Name and address of apprehended woman: Mrs. Bobita Saikia, 35 years, D.O. Sri Mohan Borkahay of Namtin Dishuk Nago, PS Amguri District, Sivasagar, Assam. Further interrogation in on to find out the links. Regal.